because from an accounting part and a tax part, you got to really have your books together, reconciliation, bookkeeping, not using one account for everything. We saw other investors got in trouble that way, right? They had one account and all the money just went into that account.
Yep.
And they didn't know what was going and coming. So talk about the accounting part. And that's one of the things you're going to get here to Certify.
So it's very important to earmark your money or separate it out depending on what you're using it for. And a lot of times people will, they will do stuff like put all their money in the same account. Like she mentioned, they will try to cut corners, but save money by not getting a bookkeeper in place, or by like, I'll just do it myself, but then you don't do it right. And I'm a testament to that. I would literally be like, I'll just use QuickBooks and then I'll try to do my own taxes as a self-employed. And I was paying thousands upon thousands of dollars every year because that wasn't my area of expertise. But having that bookkeeper and your tax accountant in place is extremely important, because once that bookkeeper does your books for the year, all you have to do is pass that on to your tax accountant. You and your tax accountant will discuss what your goals are, right? And then based off of your goals determines how much of your deductions you're going to actually take, or how much you're going to leave roll back in based off of what your upcoming goals are. Some of the things that people kind of messed themselves up with was not having their taxes already completed, or having everything blended. They may work a job, but they also have a side business of sorts, but they have all the money running together, and so one of the best things you could do is separate your business from your personal, even if that means the money comes here and then I transfer money here and so forth. And so it all goes back to that team. Paying someone to look at your books every month is adding to your team. Having that tax accountant is a part of your team. And so it goes back to what Dr. Jewel said in the beginning. If you want success, you need that team. And so if you're like, I want to make millions, you got to be willing to put money out for the things that's going to help you get there. People who know more than you, it kind of goes back to that. And so, that's going to be extremely important. In the deal that I did, I actually closed on my property tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
I am excited. I am so excited. I bought this property in November of last year, went through some challenges, fix and flip and all of that. So now I officially close on that tomorrow. But even through that process of getting the property, the paperwork, there were certain things that I had to have in place to even secure the deal, right? But if I didn't have the right accountants, paperwork, bank accounts, all of that together, it would have delayed the process, or I could have even lost the deal. And so it's okay when you come to us if you don't know these things, but these are things we're going to teach and help you. So when you get ready to go to the table, you're already set and in position for that.
Yeah.
Right. Look, and y'all, I know Camille. I'm just sitting over here like I done learned more. I didn't even like, where has this fire been? Like, you always on fire when it comes to like the marketing, the funnel, what needs to be together,
but the systems.
I'm like, Jewel, you keep an equipped team. I love it. I love it. They gonna wear multiple hats.
Listen, period. Absolutely.
Doors. I love it. It.
So.
That's the power and connections and resources and having a resourceful team.
Absolutely.
And I think that's what's another thing for me, Jewel, that's been super amazing with seeing that within your community, your team, something that's need to get figured out, it's gonna get figured out. And it's going every time. It's go. She gonna go to work every time. Jewel Taker is gonna go to work every time.
Period.
And Austin, I know, gonna go to work every time.
Sure.
That's all I got.
Yeah, no, for real. And, I really want to encourage everybody that's watching this right now. We got the Monopoly in Real Life Conference, August 31st, September 1st in Detroit, Michigan. I'm really, really excited about it. And if you're serious about it, you might say, hey, my credit is not good, or,